So, welcome to this video about options in Excel. Today I will show you the most common used and most important options in Excel. I will not show you all options because there are hundreds of options in Excel, so I only show you the most important ones. So, we're just gonna run through some options in Excel. You can access the options by clicking File and underneath here Options, and you get this window. On the left there are the categories for the options. So we just start at general, and for example here is when creating a new workbook. You can set all the font size, but also how many sheets are in a standard new workbook. I set it at 1, but you can choose all different numbers. Also, there is an option to show the start screen when opening Excel. When you leave this on, there will be a start screen, but if you want to start right away, you can put this off, and when you start Excel, it will start with a new workbook, an empty workbook. Then there are also the category formulas. Always check if your calculation options are on automatic. If you your formula does not have the outcome you did expect, always check if the automatic button is checked. You can also access that one from the ribbon when you go to formulas, calculation options, and check automatic. You can also set it at manual when you have a very large Excel sheet with many calculations, formulas, and it becomes a bit slow because of the many calculations. You can set this at manual, and you can work in your sheet and manually calculate the sheet with the F9 button. The next one I want to show you is the R1C1 reference style. When this is checked, Excel uses numbers for also columns and rows. So if your formula is not working, please check if this one is unchecked. The next one is the autosave I want to show you. Here you can set your minutes for the auto recover information. For example, I have 10 minutes, so I never lose more than 10 minutes of work when Excel crashes or something. At advanced, there are lots of other options. So, for example, here you have the option show formula bar. When you launched your formula bar and you don't know where it is, please check if the show formula bar is checked. You can also access this option in the ribbon to go to view, and you can check the formula bar, the headers, the grid lines. You can see it disappears and appears again. So at advanced we have another option which is important, and that is this one: show formulas and cells instead of the calculator results. So when you have a sheet and you only see the formulas and you don't see the results, for accident hit the short key for that. You can uncheck this box and you will see the results again. So now I only see the formula and now I see the result. Also, this one is important. The number of threads the computer uses to calculate formulas in Excel. I always say use all processors on this computer, but when you select manual, only one processor, for example, your calculations will be going a lot slower. So I always prefer this one. In the options menu there is also the Trust Center. When I click this, I can enter the Trust Center settings, and some important things here are, for example, the macro settings. Here you can choose which macro setting you want to use. Disable it, enable it, with or without notification, and the same for external content. security settings for the workbook links. You can enable automatic update or disable automatic update, and also set the notification for it. When you find it irritating, all these notifications, you can enable the automatic update or enable all macros. It says not recommended, so I will advise you not to, but you can choose it here. So thank you for watching. I hope you discovered some new options in Excel which you did not know before. If you liked the video, please give it a like or leave a comment. And if you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button.